sure that services continue seamlessly.
Familia kod osiepe ne ochokore ne timo kopo mogik ne ringre Alice Opee ma osebedo jalonyo korka weche mag somo, tet makare kod ohala. Alice Opee ma en nyamine jachung weche marwa Ken Mugamami Nyasi ne oike gwenge e Nyasi mane obagi Kabondo Homa Bay kaonti, kendo mane oyore gi jotelo moriwo jaod bura Laktar Eve Obara, jaod bura marora TJ Kajwang', Millie Odhiambo Masuba North e kin mamoko. Familia mar Alice ka otelnegi gi mama Rebecca Opee opare kaka miyo mane ni kod chia kendo lek mar dongruok.
Save your life, blessed, and you shall never lack, because God.
But why now? Why our mom? Why our peace?
I tried everything I could to make sure we had more time. The first time in June, July, when I rushed her to the hospital, I thought I saved her. I even kept telling her, you know, I saved your life. Better buy me this, I saved your life.
Mommy, right here with me, I'll always have you in my heart. I love you, I appreciate you. Thank you for making me the man I am. And you did it single-handedly, which is the most impressive thing. I couldn't even do half the things you did.
I lived with her from secondary school to college years. So you can imagine that relationship. It was a relationship of tough love. Kama walikuwa wanataka kunifanyia kitu, anawaambia wenzake, tufanye namna gani? Mimi sina pesa ya kutosha, mtaweni pesa. Hao wanatoa na yeye ndiye anakimbia kufanya. Kwa hivyo, huyu mtoto wangu nimempoteza lakini sitamsahau. Tena amenifanya nimekuwa na wasichana wengi na vijana marafiki zake wamekuwa kama watoto yangu.
Watimo mosanyane familia mar Opee. Kawadhi nyime ni anyuola moro mane owito nyathigi bang' ding'ore e bugo mar pit